Good morning, everyone. Uh, I think most of you may not be knowing me. I am myself Rajesh Solanki, alumni of VPM's Polytechnic. Uh, before going for today's topic, uh, I will like to introduce myself in short. I have completed my diploma in instrumentation engineering in 1992 from VPM's. And after that, in 1995, I started my own business by the name of Mirage Instrumentation Services. And since then till today, we are into the instrumentation and electrical services. We are the major instrumentation and service provider. I will say we are among the first 5 or 10 in India who provides services in electrical and instrumentation. And across the, and of course in the Gulf countries, GCC countries, and abroad also various projects we have done. So why I came live today on alumni website, sorry, alumni Facebook. The reason was that during the last alumni meet, what we had last month, uh, at that time it was decided that we should do something for the the present students which are going on for, which are doing the studies, they are appearing for the diploma, they are doing their degree. But unfortunately, it was planned on 20th March. Actually, I was supposed to be in college, and the program was arranged in college, and I was supposed to address the students. Of course, it was not the technical. Because why it was not technical? Because I told the madam, V. Joshi madam was there, and our Nayak sir was there. That I will not going to speak much on technical, because there are so many. There are almost four PhD teachers are there in our college. Means the staff are excellent. I mean, there is technical ability, the teaching ability. There was absolutely, there is a no shortage. The laboratory is excellent. Everything all set up. I think it is a world class setup what we have in VPM's alumni. But then I thought, what alumni as our how we can support the students which are the new engineers which are coming up in the market. Because in the market always there are so many engineers are coming, but there is always a complaint that engineers are not good. Before going in detail, I will like to thank Nayak sir, and all HODs and all staff of VPMs, and for permitting me to go live. And also the blessings of all our teachers, our ex-principal Mujumdar sir in the morning only gave me call, and he say, I am awaiting, I will be seeing your lecture. It is a good thing that you are going to address students. In these alumni members, there are so many senior members are there. There are, means they might be knowledge wise, they are much better than me. But actually this what session is there, it is not basically for them. It is basically, of course it is a general session, anyone can see it, but it is mainly for the students who are at present there in the college, or the students who are they left the college, or they are doing the degree. It will be helpful for them. I will just going to experience my life experience, how we able to got whatever success we got. I'm not saying that we got the very high success, but whatever success we able to achieve, uh, how we able to achieve. So I thought I must share my experiences which will benefit them. Uh, Now I remember a thing in college when I was there. I have completed in 92. I told you earlier. In 91, there was a going to be gathering, and as I was a class representative, I was also part of the meeting. At that time, it was thought of whether to put gathering, whether to we can keep gathering or not. The reason was that because we may waste our 2 3 days. Means you can understand, just to we're thinking that how we will able to balance the syllabus what we will be losing. uh, why why uh, means how we'll able to losses will make up whatever the 2 3 days losses we had, that how we'll able to make up. But now you see this, because of this epidemic, now so many days, almost it will going to be almost around, I think, 20 25 days college will going to be closed. And this is a big challenge. This is a big challenge for all staff as well as all students to cope up, and because they cannot lose the year. And yesterday I had a discussion with VA Joshi madam also. She was also very worrying how to complete the syllabus, and she wanted that the help of alumni also. How alumni, and of course I will like to appeal all alumni, because here all are engineers, whether they can help anyway to the college also and to the society also. If anyone knows the ventilator, how to make the ventilator in cheaper cost, we can use, they can also suggest, they can give their suggestion into this Facebook messenger, so that we can contact them, and then we can think of whether we are as engineers will able to support government or as well as society. Again, coming to the point, as I told that this lecture was mainly to assist the students. Okay, so I will like to tell them, here now at this, when we are coming to diploma, we are quite mature, means mature enough to understand what is our goal, what we want to do. And of course some people don't understand, but at least they know that what is our syllabus. Therefore at least they know, when they know the syllabus, they, instead of wasting their time in this last in this coming 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, we don't know, they should utilize this time in the studying, because they have the books, they have the knowledge, source of knowledge, even Google is there, and from various sources, even the teachers are available online, and WhatsApp and all other media is open. If whatever queries they have, they can contact them. And they should not stop, they should not consider this as a holiday, and they should not waste their time. uh, though I have done instrumentation engineering, and now we are doing the business in instrumentation and electrical, but I can very well tell you that whether you are done a course in instrumentation or electrical or electronics or any other diploma course or degree engineering course, the basic format of success or what we have to do in the future is the same. Now what happened, every engineers who is passing out of the college, they think that they should get a job. But once you think that why the engineering, what the companies, why they should offer the job, because if you see how you can utilize your knowledge, whatever learn you learn in the engineering, how you will able to utilize it into the practical. So that way you should able to think, and then only you should expect something. Therefore according to me, in spite of completing your diploma or degree course, of course whatever syllabus is there, I will again and again tell, you should do it thoroughly, you should study it properly. Theory knowledge you have to be perfect, but then also in spite of that, you are not a perfect engineer. Therefore you should not expect too much salary or whatever immediately after the completing the course. You should try for the experience. Therefore there you should, whatever interest you have, because there in any engineering field if you take, there are so many branches are there. Even if you take electrical, into instrumentation, electronics, mechanical, any damn engineering if you consider, because there are so many aspects. Some person might be interesting into the marketing, some person might be interesting into the tendering, into the contract, some might be entering into the maintenance, some interesting into the projects. Means even into the electrical or instrumentation or mechanical, there are though those are, instrumentation itself is a specialized thing. In spite of that, there are so many other avenues are open. Then there is absolutely no question of they will not get job or something. That only thing is that whatever they know, they should utilize uh, I will say utilize also, they should go, they should choose that particular branch and they should go for that. If you consider my example, what I have done the instrumentation engineering, and I was not knowing at all anything what is instrumentation. Even after completing third year diploma in instrumentation engineering, I was zero in the sense of what how instrumentation will be, useful into the industry. Theory, of course, whatever the theory was there, principle of instrumentation was there, whatever books were there, whatever practical was there, that we have completed. But when we step into the actual field, I remember I went for my first job. The owner itself had didn't ask me any question. He said, "I know you are a new fresh engineer. You not be knowing anything. I have only one work. I have to take these instruments to one of our project inside. Can you take it? I have to send one person, and I don't have one person." I say I can do that, but what is my benefit? He said, then you can work there for a month, 2 months, and if you find that if you're a good, we'll continue you. And I said that this is a good idea, no problem. And then I have taken this instrument. The project was at Mahad, and I, without any planning, without any pre-plan, immediately I have agreed to go to Mahad. I delivered that instrument there, and I worked there for next 2 to 3 months. And of course, really I work hard. Why work hard? Because whatever in theory, whatever we have learned there, I was seeing in the field what the instruments are there, how the application is there, and that I learned there how to use those knowledge theory into the practical. And that 2 3 months I utilized. And of course the company also, see, any company, the person, if he's working, he's hard working, anyone want that type of person. Therefore they continued me, and they sent me to another site. And like that I worked for almost 2.5 years. And but I wanted to do the business, I told you. And of course I always recommend everyone that they should do the business, any field they are, because business has always advantages. And then but business needs the capital. Of course I myself was having very means I was not having any capital with me, I will say, because my father was a teacher, and I work only for 2.5 years. My salary was 1000 rupees per month. At that time it was not a very big amount, very small amount. At that time, any rental office you have to take a proper basic office, then also it was charging 5,000, 6,000. In such condition, doing the business with just a capital of 15,000, it was hardly impossible. But then also with the help of, because few of my friends, they were also interested in doing business. Of course they were having more experience, and they were having some office setup also. Though I thought without investment I can do the business, I should do it. And then with their help, actually we started the business. But unfortunately for the first 6 months we didn't get any job, any order. And when we didn't get any order, then we thought then they one by one start leaving they say, we cannot continue with this. And then they left the business. And of course then I was alone, and the person who was having office, he said, now you cannot use my office. Then actually I was in more bad condition, because whatever 15,000 I was having, that also I spent in traveling here and there, trying to do the marketing. And we lost 6 months and lost that 15,000 also. Then but as I was decided, that I thought I will not come back. And then I went ahead starting the business with the help of, again, my father helped me at that time. My father was always encouraging me to do the business, and he is again a one motivational force behind me when why I started business. And with the help of whatever money, 25,000 I think at that time he has given me, that is also from his provident fund, because he was not having any money. He was retired at that same year. He was retired, and he got some provident fund for money, and that money he has given. And I have taken an office in a there's a godown called mango godown. Mango godown is used only during the mango season, and the other type, it is empty. Therefore that was the advantage. And he say, anyway it is empty, you can use it. And he charged me only 2,000 rupees. I was very much happy. But he said, during the mango season, mangoes boxes will going to be there. I said agree. And such a way my business has been started. So point of telling why I'm telling you this thing is that whatever study you are doing, you should take the practical experience for initial 2 to 3 years. You apply, of course when you are doing the college, you should do the theory knowledge thoroughly. You should know the whatever they are teaching, because see, when you are doing in college, what you should do when you are doing your time, you must study that, whether you like it or not. Like, because for my example, I will say, I was a history, I was topper in history in my 10th. Because everyone was feeling that I may come into the board, because the person, a history teacher was thinking that I may come to board, because I was almost getting 100 out of 100 marks in history. But she was not knowing about my marks in other subjects. Therefore she was feeling that I may come into board. But then also I went into engineering field, and then engineering field I able to make the career. Because see, according to me, when we do the learning, when we do the study, it is not only the knowledge, it is also giving us an opportunity, how to learn the things which you don't like. Means it is not there that it is our passion and therefore we should do. Even if it is not there, how to learn, that is also a technique. Though the things which you don't like, you have to learn it, and you learn it properly. So that is a learning experience during you take during the college year engineering course and this thing. And again, one thing I will tell you, now what I'm doing business, there is very few things about actually I'm not doing as a, though I'm an engineer, but engineering knowledge I'm utilizing only for 10 or 5% engineering knowledge I required. Other knowledge is the management and other practical experience what I have gained for the so long period. Therefore it is not only the technical knowledge, general, what, how develop you how you develop yourself, and how one can develop, the one can develop only by reading books, getting knowledge. By getting knowledge, reading books, automatically you get develop. You don't understand, you don't know that that is a process basically. अपने को पता भी नहीं चलता है कि हम लोग कब अपने आप को डेवलप कर रहे हैं. So that is the way. Therefore, all these students who are now are quarantined and compulsorily because they are home, they should not waste their time. Of course, college management might have thought something how to go about the situation. I have few suggestions like particular submission work. There is a lot of submission work is there, and many times I found out that submission work student just writing, and actually it is of not much use. Of course, this is my suggestion. I'm not any authorized, or I don't have any authority to tell them, and only this is my suggestion. That time we can shorten, and other lectures can be taken online, and that even students can work at home, and exam can be taken, and so that they cannot lose their year. And whatever practical you are doing into the college, because there is generally what happen, we do the practical just for doing it, but we don't think why it is this. Generally my question is, what is mean by engineer? Engineer means he should always have the question, why you are doing so. Teacher told me, okay, you mix this, then this product. He should think that why this product had arrived because of mixing of these two. Like in chemical lab, what we are doing, these two product, and then third product is get we get third product. He should always understand why this is happen. Same thing applies to all practical experiences. The practical should not be for the formality. The practical is the most important thing in for any type of engineer. Of course, his theory knowledge and then practical knowledge. Then he should not take it lightly and utilize those time basically properly. And after starting my business, starting a business is also not easy, because why I'm telling you my story, because the reason the same you can relate after passing out the diploma, and you can go in similar path. Because it is not a cakewalk. Though I have started the business, I've taken the mango go down and I started, but no one believes me, because at that time I was just 23-year-old, I was very small, no one was having any confidence in me. Then we have to take the opportunities basically. At that time there was a company, Bell's Foxborough instruments were there. I was while 2.5 year I worked, I was having good knowledge of Foxborough instruments, and wherever these Foxborough instruments were there, those companies used to contact Foxborough and they used to repair those instruments. But I gone gain those knowledge of how to repair it. Then I started taking those contract and I started repairing those instruments. And I was getting enough money. Enough money means whatever I was salary I could get, and whatever the expenses was, office was there, I was able to sustain that. And similarly at that time this calibration was there. The calibration is again very simple thing, but many times the diploma engineers, even after passing the engineers, they don't know the calibration. Calibration is what basically it is an instrumentation or testing in electrical. Basically the instruments are whether it is working condition, whether it is okay or not, that how to find out. And that is the method of finding it out with comparing with the master instruments. That is the calibration. It is very simple. Even we are planning to have some session of calibration into the college also, and that we will do. We will explain the students what is the calibration. It is very simple. One of the most simple thing in the engineering is this testing part. But it is very important again. Earlier, at that time, it was too much important. Now also it is important. So that business I started, and then see, when you work, you should work with your entire capacity. Whether you are working for yourself or you're working for someone else, you never think that I am getting. I am just getting 1,000 rupees. Though I will not work for this much time. I will work only like that much. That mentality should not be there. Your attitude should not be there like that, because your attitude should be like a owner. If you want to do the business, if you want to become a successful, see, business means what? It is not only doing business means having your own business. A company CEO, a company general manager, a company senior position, handling a senior position, he is doing business only. That is a business, absolute business, because he is totally responsible for the success of his company. And how he can how if he don't give his 100%, how he will able to success, how he will able to give his 100% to the company. And if he is not giving his 100%, though he is not doing business, he will, no one will keep him. He will be kicked out. No one will continue him. Therefore, continuing even job also at senior position, it is a business only. Initially only few years, I will say, anyone is working. Business is not means that only independently we have to do. Even in working for any company at some managerial position is a business only, because that particular business unit he is heading. So that is type of business only, whether he is doing for his own money with his own risk, or his other money and other risk. It is different, but it is a business. Business, according to me, is like that. So when I'm saying business word, it doesn't mean that you have to start your own only. You can work also and go up, because no one will like to work only as a technician, only as an engineer. Everyone has aspiration. Everyone want to become manager. Everyone want to earn more thing, and everyone want to become successful. To get the success, basically, his thinking should be, initially what we are getting, he should not at all think what he is getting, whether he is getting 1,000 rupees, 2,000, nothing at all. What knowledge he is getting, that is important. And how much he is giving. I remember during initial 3 years, 2.5 years, when I was working day and night. Full day I was working, and the night also I was staying into the plant. It was very difficult to stay in the plant. I was sleeping in the control room only for 5-6 hours. The reason was, in the night I was having the full freedom, because in the daytime I was not getting freedom, because I was a new person. Everyone was watching me. I should not damage anything. I should not go here. I should not go there. In the night I was telling that work, there is always, see, I was in the project, and project there is always pressure. Always client want that you should work in the night also, you should work in the day also. And I was the person was ready to work day also and night also. No one, who don't want. Though I was like that. Therefore I was working in the night also, and night I was gaining, I got maximum knowledge in the night. I understood all instruments, because there I told you the bells control, all instruments I able to mainly got to know in the night only. And I never thought as a worker, as a job. I thought that I'm working for myself, I'm working for my country, I'm working for this plant should work properly. This is my responsibility, that there should not be any fault. If any fault, that if then I am responsible. It has to work properly. That was my thinking from the beginning. And I want to tell each and everyone, for success you don't require 90% mark, 99% mark. It is secondary. Marks you will require only to get the first job. To get the success, it is attitude is required. And attitude means what? You should think, you should think for the giving your 100%. Giving your 100%. How you will able to give your 100%? By your proper attitude. If you think that मेरे को क्या फायदा है, ये तो कंपनी का फायदा होगा, उनका फायदा होगा, उसके लिए मैं अपना मेहनत क्यों करूं, मैं रात दिन काम क्यों करूं? तो भाई देखो, फायदा अपना ही होता है, और अपना फायदा सोच के कोई करने को जाता है, व्हेन सम पर्सन थिंक कि अपना फायदे के लिए कोई करने को जाता है, तब उसका फायदा कभी नहीं होता है। दूसरे के फायदे में ही अपना फायदा होता है, दुनिया के फायदे में अपना फायदा होता है। कोई बंदा ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं जिसका अकेले का फायदा होगा। जो अपना फायदा सोचने के लिए जाएगा, वो हमेशा गड्ढे में गिरेगा। उसके लिए जरूरी है कि ही हैज टू ट्राई टू थिंक ऑफ द बेटरमेंट वेर एवर ही इज वर्किंग। ही कोई इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए काम करे, कोई कंपनी के लिए काम करे, पूरी ताकत लगा के काम करे कि वो कंपनी का फायदा कैसे हो। वो कंपनी का फायदा करते करते उसका फायदा ऑटोमेटिक उसको मालूम भी नहीं पड़ेगा। ये भगवान का रूल है, ये गॉड, दिस इज नेचर रूल, कि आप पूरी कोशिश करो। सी आप पौधे का एग्जांपल ले लो, पौधा पूरी ताकत लगा देता है बढ़ने के लिए। वो मिट्टी में मिल जाता है, उसका जो सीड होता है मिट्टी में पूरा मिल जाता है और वो पौधा आगे आता है, पूरा लाइफ लॉन्ग दूसरे को देता है और उसी में उसका एंजॉयमेंट होता है। ही नेवर थिंक ऑफ कि ये फ्रूट्स लेगा, और वो खुद के लिए कोई काम का नहीं होता है उसके लिए। वो फ्रूट्स हमेशा बांटता है, हमेशा बांटने का काम करता है। तो जो बंदा कमाएगा और वो बांटेगा तो ही विल गेट दैट एंजॉयमेंट। तो बांटने के लिए खुद पहले कमाना जरूरी होता है, गेन करना जरूरी होता है, और गेन करने के लिए भी हर टाइम पे देना जरूरी होता है। और देने के लिए पैसा ही जरूरी नहीं होता है, आप हर चीज दे सकते हो। तो वो एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए काम करने के समय पे कि अपने को अपना बेस्ट देना है, अपना माइंड इस भले किसी गलती बहुत होगा, गलती हर किसी का होगा, मतलब मेरा भी हुआ होगा और आपका भी होगा, लेकिन इंटेंशनली गलती नहीं होना चाहिए। मैं उसके लिए एक एग्जांपल दूंगा। कोई बंदा है समझो किसी का मर्डर कर देता है, कोई चोरी करने के लिए किसी को मर्डर करता है कहूंगा, या छुरी मार लेता है और उससे पॉकेट चुरा लेगा या उसका पैसा चुरा लेगा, तो उसने छुरी मार ली। लेकिन वही डॉक्टर भी है, और डॉक्टर उसी बंदे को, उसको कोई तकलीफ है करके, वो तकलीफ ठीक हो करके उसको छुरी से ही उसका पेट काटेगा, उसका जो तकलीफ है निकालेगा। दोनों ने छुरी ही मारा है, उसके बावजूद नेचर अंडरस्टैंड द पर्पज, तो उसको पनिशमेंट मिलने वाला नहीं है। पनिशमेंट मिलेगा जिसने जानबूझ के छुरी मारा, चोरी चोरी करने के लिए। तो वही थिंकिंग अपने काम करने के समय होना चाहिए। काम करने के समय पे जो भी अपना काम है पूरी शिद्दत से करो। मैं बार बार वही कहना चाहता हूं कि पूरी ताकत लगा के। फिर इंजीनियरिंग में आपने कैसे क्या किया, कितने परसेंटेज मिले, ये सेकेंडरी आएगा। अगेन कमिंग टू द पॉइंट कि इंजीनियरिंग में फिलहाल अभी जो चैलेंज आप लोग फेस कर रहे हैं कोविड के लिए, तो ये पूरा जो टाइम है आप अभी का, वो पूरा टाइम यूटिलाइज करो। बुक्स का पूरा नॉलेज जो भी बुक्स में है, जो सिलेबस है, सिलेबस तो ऑलरेडी शेयर किया हुआ है कॉलेज ने आपको, तो वो सिलेबस का पूरा स्टडी करो और वो सिलेबस पूरा का पूरा यूटिलाइज करो। फिर उसमें सबमिशन क्या करना है क्या नहीं कॉलेज सोचेगा, लेकिन एग्जाम तो मेरे ख्याल से देना पड़ेगा, आज नहीं देना पड़ेगा तो कल देना पड़ेगा। लेकिन ये पूरा टाइम, क्योंकि सेल्फ स्टडी से लेके उससे ज्यादा बढ़िया स्टडी और कोई नहीं होता है। क्योंकि ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूं कि मैंने कॉलेज में टाइम पे जितना पढ़ाई नहीं किया, क्योंकि मैं आपके जैसा ही था, उस समय पढ़ाई का उतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं था। मुझे भी लगता था कि भाई मार्क्स, इतने मार्क्स मिलने से मेरे को सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा, सर्टिफिकेट मिलने से मेरे को जॉब मिल जाएगा। लेकिन जब मैं बिजनेस या काम करना चालू किया, तब मुझे मालूम पड़ा ये सर्टिफिकेट बाद में कोई नहीं देखता, सर्टिफिकेट रह जाता है बाजू में। वो मेरे को तो याद है, मेरा सर्टिफिकेट मैंने कभी नहीं निकाला, जब से मेरे को कॉलेज मिला सर्टिफिकेट वही का वही पड़ा हुआ है। बाद में आता है नॉलेज, और ये नॉलेज मैंने पूरा का पूरा नॉलेज बाद में लिया। लेकिन क्यों बाद में लेने का, इससे अगर आप ये अभी नॉलेज ले लेते हो तो आपको मार्क्स भी अच्छे मिलेंगे, पहला जॉब मिलने में भी उतना दिक्कत नहीं होगा, सामान लेके जाने के लिए दूसरी जगह किसी कोई बोलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे पास नॉलेज नहीं था ज्यादा उस समय। सामान जाने की वजह से मेरा यूटिलाइज किया गया, और ऑफकोर्स मैंने बाद में नॉलेज गेन किया, दैट इज डिफरेंट थिंग। लेकिन अभी ये दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू गेन द नॉलेज। एक बार नॉलेज गेन कर लो और आगे में अपना एटीट्यूड सही रखो, तो दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं है आपको सक्सेसफुल होने से रोक नहीं सकती। आज मुझे बताने को खुशी होती है कि आज हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट 1200 आदमी काम कर रहे हैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया। मैंने तो सिर्फ डिप्लोमा किया है, डिप्लोमा वो भी हमारे ठाणे पॉलिटेक्निक से किया है। और मैं ये कहूंगा कि ठाणे पॉलिटेक्निक हमारा वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पॉलिटेक्निक, मुझे तो लगता है। अभी आज की सिचुएशन मुझे पता नहीं है, लेकिन आज भी वही टीचर्स है, तो आज की तारीख में भी वही होना चाहिए। तो उस समय स्टूडेंट का जो रिजल्ट आता था वही रिजल्ट आज भी आना चाहिए, डिफरेंस कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है। अगर डिफरेंस कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है तो रिजल्ट भी वही आना चाहिए, ऐसा मेरा लॉजिक है। और जितनी भी इंडस्ट्री है पूरे इंडिया में, गल्फ में, हम लोग ने सभी के लिए काम किया है। बीपीसीएल हो, एचपीसीएल हो, आईओसीएल हो, ईआईएल हो, रिफाइनरीज, पावर प्लांट, केमिकल प्लांट, फार्मास्यूटिकल प्लांट्स, गल्फ में सऊदी अरेबिया हो, बहरीन हो, कतार, यूएई, हर जगह पे हम लोग ने आदमी हमारे गए, हमारे लोगों ने प्रोजेक्ट्स का काम किया, लीबिया, नाइजीरिया, केनिया, एवरीवेयर वी वर्क एंड वी एबल टू डू द जस्टिस टू आवर वर्क, क्योंकि हमारा बेसिक कंसेप्ट क्लियर था कि जब भी करना है तो थिंकिंग हमारा सिंपल था कि हम वी शुड नॉट बी द लायबिलिटी। किसी को ऐसा ना लगे कि इनको क्यों लिया, इनको नहीं लेते तो बेटर था, ऐसा किसी को नहीं लगे। हम लोग ने दिया है तो हम लोग ने अपना पूरा ताकत लगाने की कोशिश की। वी ट्राइड आवर लेवल बेस्ट टू गिव वट एवर बेस्ट वी हैव, वट एवर नॉलेज वी हैव, हम लोग ने पूरा बेस्ट करने का कोशिश किया। तो दैट इज बेसिकली एटीट्यूड। तो मैं बार बार हम ये सभी बच्चों को टेक्निकल नॉलेज, मेरे को बिल्कुल मेरा एम नहीं था कि टेक्निकल नॉलेज सिखाऊं आपको, क्योंकि टेक्निकल नॉलेज सिखाने के लिए अपने पास अच्छे अच्छे फैकल्टीज है, इवन हमारे पास अच्छे अच्छे एल्यूमिनीज है। हम लोग ऑनलाइन उनके भी कोर्सेस रख सकते हैं, जो आपको लगता है कि ये सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर हमको जिसने प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस लिया हुआ है, क्योंकि वी नो सो मेनी इंजीनियर्स, उनको पर्टिकुलर जैसे कि फाइबर ऑप्टिक केबल हो गया, किसी का सिर्फ पैनल का टेस्टिंग हो गया, कोई पैनल मैन्युफैक्चरर से दे ओनली डू लाइफ लॉन्ग पैनल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, कोई लोग लाइफ लॉन्ग कैलिब्रेशन ही कर रहे हैं, कोई लोग लाइफ लॉन्ग टेस्टिंग का ही काम कर रहे हैं, कोई लोग एचटी का काम कर रहे हैं, कोई लोग सबस्टेशन का काम कर रहे हैं, वैसे मैकेनिकल में कोई लोग सिर्फ पाइपिंग का काम कर रहे हैं, कोई लोग सिर्फ प्लांट बिठाने का काम कर रहे हैं। तो उसमें सब लोगों का मास्टरी है। तो हर एक मास्टर्स को हम लोग बुला सकते हैं। आपको जो जो तरह का तकलीफ होगा, वो हर एक तकलीफ को सॉल्व करने की ताकत ये एल्यूमिनी एसोसिएशन में अपने पास है, क्योंकि अपने पास इतने सारे एल्यूमिनीज है जो वास्ट फील्ड में अलग अलग, मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में अभी मुझे लास्ट टाइम जब मैं आया था कॉलेज में, मुझे खुशी हुई, अमित महाजन हमारे मेरे बैचमेट ही था, अभी यूएस में बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस कर रहा है। वो पूरा रोबोट से लेके सब कुछ बनाता है, उसके सॉफ्टवेयर बनाता है, टोटल डिफरेंट। सी हम लोग जो पढ़ते हैं उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे जरूरी नहीं कि वो पढ़ाई से लिंक हो, क्योंकि बाद में अपना, मैंने बार बार कहा कि हम लोग पढ़ते हैं तो एक अपना एक डेवलपमेंट करते हैं। जब तक एक क्वालिफिकेशन हम लोग लेते हैं, एक तरह का डेवलपमेंट, ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट होता है। फिर डेवलपमेंट हर तरह से होता है। तो वो डेवलपमेंट के बाद एक स्टेप्स, जैसे कि एबीसी, वो मैं बोलता हूँ कि कॉलेज हम लोग करते हैं तो दैट इज जस्ट एबीसीडी हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, उसकी पूरी लैंग्वेज पढ़ने का काम हमारे लिए, उसके लिए पूरा आगे का करियर है, वो अपने को पूरा ये करना है। लेकिन अगर हम कॉलेज में अपना एबीसीडी जो बेसिक्स है वो पूरा क्लियर कर ले तो आगे में अपने को तकलीफ नहीं होगा। तो अभी ये जो पूरा टाइम है, दैट वी हैव टू यूटिलाइज इट वेरी स्ट्रांगली, प्रॉपरली, और जिसका पूरे लाइफ में, मतलब जिंदगी में आपको ये दिन जो है याद रहेंगे, क्योंकि ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलता है। हम तो चाहते थे कि हमको छुट्टी मिले, लेकिन मैंने कहा एग्जांपल दिया गैदरिंग का कि 2-3 दिन का छुट्टी लेना मुश्किल हो जाता था, इतना बैकअप हो जाता था, बैकलॉग हो जाता था, क्योंकि इतने सबमिशन होते थे। और आज की तारीख में भी मैं सबमिशन के अगेंस्ट हूँ। सबमिशन है तो सबमिशन प्रॉपर होने चाहिए। हम तो नहीं करते थे प्रॉपरली, मतलब हम लोग क्या करते थे, सबमिशन हमेशा डिले रहते थे, लास्ट ईयर वालों के सबमिशन बुक्स लेते थे और पूरा कॉपी करते थे। तो इट इज अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, जब हम लोग दिमाग में सोच ही नहीं रहे हैं लोग क्या लिख रहे हैं। और मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल फॉर एनी टीचर आल्सो टू चेक सबने क्या लिखा है। इतना सारा सबमिशन है, लिखा क्या है डिफिकल्ट है। अगर लेकिन कोई प्रॉपरली कर पाता है, जिसके लिए जो अपना टाइम उतना डिवोट कर पाता है, तो इट इज वेरी गुड। इवन सबमिशन मैंने बाद में पढ़े हैं कि वो कितने यूजफुल थे, मुझे मालूम पड़ा, क्योंकि मैंने ये बाद में पढ़े। ये जो सबमिशन मैंने कॉलेज में नहीं पढ़े, मैंने लिखे भले ही लेकिन पढ़े नहीं, मतलब मेरे को भी मालूम नहीं था मैंने क्या लिखा, ये बाद में मैंने पढ़े। इट वाज वेरी यूजफुल। लेकिन जो कॉम्पैक्ट इतना किया गया है, पूरा सिलेबस, हर चीज चाहिए, हर चीज चाहिए। मेरे हिसाब से अपने को अलग अलग करना चाहिए, मास्टरी अलग अलग करना चाहिए। इवन इंजीनियर्स जो है, मैं ये कहूंगा कि वो अभी से डिसाइड कर ले कि अपने को कौन से लाइन में जाना है, वो उसी लाइन पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करे, उसी लाइन पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके उसी टाइप टॉपिक के ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस करे, उसी के ऊपर मास्टरी ले और उसी में करियर करे। बाकी का सब्जेक्ट में नॉर्मल स्टडी रखे तो वो मेरे ख्याल से आगे में बहुत आगे चला जा सकता है। तो दैट्स ऑल। मेरे को एक आधा घंटा ही बात करना था, आधा घंटा मेरे ख्याल से हो गया है। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग मी पेशेंटली, and I hope whatever experience I have gained, it will be useful for our students. And I also assure you whatever difficulty and different topics you have, that I will going to we can arrange the masters in that particular field. They can speak online, they can come to college also, और online कुछ लोग फॉरेन में है तो ऑनलाइन कर सकते हैं, और कुछ लोग यहाँ पर है जिनको टाइम होगा वो डायरेक्टली भी आ सकते हैं। जैसे हमारे, जैसे हम लोग, मेरा तो ऑफिस थाना में है, मैं कभी भी कॉलेज में आ सकता हूँ, वैसे बहुत सारे हैं जो कॉलेज में कभी भी आएंगे। और सामने भी बात कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि सामने बात करना, आपका रिएक्शन लेना, आपसे डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन आंसर्स होना, उसका जो एक मजा है, उसका जो एक अनुभव है वो डिफरेंट है। तो फिर से मैं सबकी अनुमति चाहता हूँ, और थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग मी पेशेंटली। थैंक यू वेरी मच।